Fantom's massive breakout is just getting started, and as you can see here on the daily chart, we have started an aggressive bounce to the upside after breaking out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, which is a bullish pattern. And at the time of this recording, we are now attempting a break above a key area of resistance above the 0.64 in a move that can easily give us an aggressive bounce back above the 0.8. And on today's video, I will be discussing my short-term price prediction analysis and above all give you my long-term price prediction analysis. And starting the video here on the daily chart, where we are now seeing a breakout out of this inverse head and shoulders pattern, whose minimum breakout target areas can be given by getting the height between the neckline and the head and then placing it above the neckline, giving me a minimum target area for the breakout above the 0.8418. And there are high chances that the moment we see a successful break above the key area of resistance above the 0.64, we are going to see Fantom give us an aggressive bounce back above the $0.84 to fully maximize the minimum target areas for this chart pattern over here. And that is the breakout that I'm watching out for here on the daily chart. Jumping to the 4-hour chart, where we have continued to obey the Elliot structures, you can see that from the lows that we made on the 5th of August, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside obeying the Elliot structures, where we first peaked in an Elliot count 1, saw a pullback in an Elliot count 2, a bounce in a wave 3, a wave 4, and finally peaked in an Elliot count 5, completing an even larger Elliot count 1. And after we picked in this larger Elliot count 1, I was expecting a bit of a short-term pullback in an Elliot count 2, whose minimum target areas we fully maximized, and saw a reaction of the target area, giving us a bounce to the upside in what I am now terming as the start of an impulsive Elliot count 3, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the trend-based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that Elliot count 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, giving me a minimum target area for that Elliot count 3 above the fib level 1.618, and that is above the 0.8036. And in the next coming hours, the moment we manage to break above key areas of resistances and above these highs that we made above the 0.6856, there are high chances that we are going to see that aggressive push to the upside, getting us back above the 0.8. We also need to have in mind that we can also get rejected at those key areas of resistances, and if that is the case, then we can watch out for a bit of a short-term pullback here on the charts. And in that short-term pullback, we also need to continue holding above support above the 0.5319. And as long as that continues to hold, there's a chance of a pullback to that key area of support, then get that aggressive bounce to the upside, breaking through key areas of resistances with a successful retest, and get that aggressive push back above the 0.8 in the next coming days or maybe hours. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I will be keeping you up to date.